Oh, alright then. End of the day. Been a long day. Part 13. So the office is back as it was. And my PC set up here again. Be here for another little while, I reckon. And nothing done here yet. I'll make a start at that now tomorrow. What else do we do? Oh yeah, the dog's actually sleeping here in this back toilet, and the smaller dog, she likes to scrape at the door and scrape and scrape and scrape until she gets out. So much so that she went through the paint. So I got this plastic PVC stuff to get another piece of this trim to put across the top, so she can scrape away now all she wants. She's not going to damage my freshly painted door. So outside of that, that's pretty much about the size of it. And glad to have some semblance of normality back in place. I've done a bit of a cable tidy up job in under there. There's a bit of a rat's nest in there, so we took care of that. So the place is nice and neat now. And Hal is just kind of fired in under there until we get sorted on my own side, which will probably be another couple of weeks down the road. I thought I'd be done by now, but I grossly underestimated how big the job was going to be. So that's about it for now. Nice white doors, they're lovely. So that's it for part 13, and we'll probably do a bit of a progress report when we get a little bit further along tomorrow. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all again very soon. This is George EI 7 Kilo Oscar 73.